Will you be proud to own what is probably the nicest home in Beaverbrook? Hi, I'm Jeff McGowan, and I'd like to welcome you to 30 Lismer Crescent. This home is jaw-dropping, so I'm going to let it speak for itself. Come on in and have a look. Every facet of this home has been upgraded to the max. Fabulous entertaining areas with hardwood floors, custom millwork, and absolutely spectacular window spaces. What a great place to entertain. This beautifully renovated kitchen is upgraded to the max. It's efficient, it's luxurious, and it offers fantastic views of the gorgeous backyard. You know, I've seen a lot of backyards in Beaverbrook, and this has to be the nicest one I've ever seen. I hope you've enjoyed your visit to 30 Lismer Crescent. If you'd like what you've seen and you'd like to book a private showing, please contact me. Thanks again for taking the time. I look forward to hearing from you soon.